Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 3D printer in 2026 for home use, business, or professional projects, you're in the right place. With faster printing speeds, AI features, and multicolor technology, today's 3D printers are more powerful than ever. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026 based on speed, print quality, reliability, and overall value. We'll cover key features, real performance, pros and cons, and which one is best for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Creality K2 SE 3D Printer. The Creality K2 SE is a compact yet powerful 3D printer designed for fast and multicolor printing, making it perfect for beginners and creators who want professional results. Print size, 220 by 215 by 245 millimeters. 500 millimeters per second high-speed printing. Multicolor printing support via CFS. Auto leveling. Vibration control system. Compact desktop design. This printer focuses on speed and convenience. The automatic leveling system makes setup simple, while vibration control improves print accuracy. The multicolor capability is a huge advantage for creative projects. It's very beginner-friendly and doesn't take much desk space. Pros: multicolor printing support, fast printing speed, compact design, easy setup for beginners, stable print quality. Cons: smaller print volume than professional models. Multicolor system may require extra setup. A great choice for hobbyists and beginners who want speed and multicolor printing in a compact machine. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D Printer. Next up is the Creality K1C, one of the fastest and smartest 3D printers available today. 600 millimeters per second printing speed, AI monitoring camera, 300 degrees Celsius high temperature printing, carbon fiber filament support, silent mode operation. Print size, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. The K1C stands out with its AI camera that monitors prints and detects issues automatically. It also supports high-performance materials like carbon fiber, making it ideal for professional users. The silent mode is great for home or office use. Pros: extremely fast printing, AI monitoring system, high-temperature material support, quiet operation, professional-level performance. Cons: higher price range, more advanced features may overwhelm beginners. Perfect for professionals and serious makers who want speed, reliability, and smart monitoring. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 V3 KE. The Ender 3 series has always been popular, and the V3 KE continues that reputation with major upgrades. 500 millimeters per second print speed, auto leveling system, Sprite direct drive extruder, 300 degrees Celsius high temperature printing, stable motion system, print volume 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. This printer delivers excellent print quality and stability. The direct drive extruder improves precision and handles flexible filaments well. It's affordable, reliable, and ideal for everyday printing. Pros: great value for money, reliable and stable printing, good for flexible materials, beginner-friendly, strong community support. Cons: no AI monitoring features, basic compared to premium models. Best budget-friendly high-performance 3D printer for most users. Number 4. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. If you want industrial-level performance, the Q1 Pro is a serious powerhouse. 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, fully automatic leveling, built-in camera, heated chamber up to 60 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Celsius high temperature printing, carbon fiber filament support, tangle detection. This printer is designed for advanced materials and precision engineering. The heated chamber ensures better layer bonding, especially for high-end filaments. It's ideal for professional prototyping and heavy usage. Pros: industrial-level performance, supports engineering materials, heated chamber improves quality, AI monitoring camera, very reliable. Cons: not beginner-friendly, best for professionals and engineering applications. Number 5. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra, best resin printer. Finally, we have the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra, a resin printer built for extreme detail. 9K resolution MSLA printing, 150 millimeters per hour fast resin printing, AI camera monitoring, auto leveling, mechanical sensors, Wi-Fi cluster printing. Print size 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.49 inches. Unlike filament printers, this resin printer produces extremely detailed models, perfect for miniatures, jewelry, and professional design work. The 9K resolution gives incredibly smooth surfaces. Pros: ultra-high detail printing, very smooth surface finish, fast resin printing, smart monitoring features, great for small precision models. Cons: smaller print size, resin handling requires care. Best choice for ultra-detailed prints and professional design work. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the product links in the description. Let me know in the comments which 3D printer you'd choose. See you in the next video.